We started out the day with a visit to the usual ramen place around the corner. I love the glass noodles here, so tasty. Then we headed to the Metropolitan Government Building in Shinjuku, which offers good panoramic views of Tokyo for free. The line took about 30 minutes, and it's pretty cramped in there with not much room to sit down. I would recommend Mori Tower in Roppongi over this place, though it does cost a lot more money. We did manage to catch the sunset, which revealed a stunning view of Mount Fuji. It's going.
Allez-y, end. This is the end.
Ça va commencer là.
It's going.
Ah là 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 là.
Going.
Formidable.
Going.
Un,
Deux,
ouais.
trois. Ouais.
Ouais. So beautiful. C'est tellement beau.
It was then a quick stop to Chuo Camera Box to dream about buying more film cameras. For dinner, we headed to Mr. Farmer's in Shinjuku.
Two men just left their table, left their purses and cell phones there, just because.
Saving it fun. Japan.
Then we headed to Memory Lane for some great street photos. We then headed to Hotel Gracery, where Godzilla's head sits upon the hotel, watching out over Tokyo, protecting it against any other kaiju attacks. Next to the hotel is VR Zone, a virtual reality center where they have many custom games and unique setups. The most popular one being Mario Kart, which I won, but then immediately got motion sick from. We also tried walking the plank over the top of a skyscraper to rescue a cat.
Oh, I see that's good. Can't do anything.
As well as wander through an abandoned hospital.
What happened?
What's better?
I don't know what it's doing.
Got hit by a laser. Any faster, get out.
After getting over my nausea, we swung by Golden Guy, a collection of 200 small bars that have been around since the 1960s. Each bar holds only 6 to 10 customers, who usually have to pay a seating charge to have a drink. Some are members only, while others welcome foreigners. You'll never know who you'll meet at these places. Even though it was a Monday, there were still people out celebrating pre-Halloween. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you guys in the next one.